Welcome everyone. In this video we'll talk about pharmaceutical analysis and its scope. Scope means in which fields this subject can be used. Concept of pharmaceutical analysis. Pharmaceutical analysis is a branch of science which deals with the qualitative, quantitative and semi-quantitative estimation of given pharmaceutical sample. Now let us understand what is qualitative, quantitative and semi-quantitative estimation or analysis. Qualitative analysis. It may be defined as which analyte is present in the given sample. This has the goal to identify various components present in the sample on the basis of physical, chemical properties such as functional groups, elemental composition and melting point, etc. So from the name itself we are clear that qualitative analysis will refer to the quality of the analyte or the compound or which analyte is present in the sample. Next, quantitative analysis. It may be defined as how much amount of analyte is present in the given sample. This has the goal to determine the quantity of each component present in the given sample. So again here from the name itself we are clear that quantitative analysis will refer to the quantity of the analyte present in the sample. Analyte is the substance which we are analyzing. Then there is semi-quantitative analysis. So it is the type of analysis which only describe whether the quantity of impurity present in the given sample is below or above the specified limit, such as limit tests. So now limit tests, there are like 5 or 6 limit tests in the syllabus of B Pharmacy Sem 1, and we will discuss each test separately in separate videos. So up to here we only need to know that limit tests tell us that the quantity of impurity which is present in the sample is below or above the standard limit which has been set for that particular product or sample. So up to here we have understood that in pharmaceutical analysis we deal with the qualitative, quantitative and semi-quantitative analysis or aspects. Then there is scope of analysis. So the basic importance of pharmaceutical analysis is its utility in standardization and quality control of medicines and drug substances to ensure the quality and stability of the final product. Nowadays the analytical techniques are popularly used in the following fields. So below here I have listed the fields in which this subject is used. The first one is biological sample estimation, then food determination, dairy product estimation, soil study, forensic determination and pesticide estimation in food and vegetable. So these are few fields in which this subject has its scope or in which this subject is used. So this was in today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.